Cement mixer installation guide. Install 2 wheels, 1 to the lower frame, 3, and use the wheel plug, 2 to fix the wheel. Assemble support leg, 19, to lower frame, 3, using M8 washer, 11, M8 cap nut, 16, and M8 screw, 10. Assemble gear motor, 17, to lower frame, 3, using M8 washer, 9, M8 nut, 8. Assemble drum assembly, 4, to motor, 17, using motor shaft pin, 5, and cotter pin, 7. Secure cotter pin properly before mixing. Slide 2 handles, 14, into lower frame, 3, tube. Attach top cover, 13, to lower frame, 3, and handles, 14, using M8 screw, 12, M8 washer, 11, and M8 cap nut, 16. Use cable tie to bundle and secure the plug cable.